When measurements of two diagonals are given, then the quadrilateral that can be constructed as option 1 parallelogram, 2 trapezium, 3 rhombus, 4 rectangle. రెండు కర్ణాల కొలతలు ఇచ్చినప్పుడు నిర్మించగల చతుర్భుజం. 1 సమాంతర చతుర్భుజం, 2 ట్రెపీజియం, 3 రాంబస్, 4 దీర్ఘచతురస్రం. సో ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ రాంబస్. రెండు కర్ణాలు ఇచ్చినప్పుడు గీయగలిగేది రాంబస్. సో ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ రాంబస్ వెన్ 2 diagonals are given. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. The adjacent angles of a parallelogram are x degree sin 2x plus 30 degrees. Then the greatest angle of the parallelogram is. సమాంతర చతుర్భుజం యొక్క పక్కపక్క ఉన్న కోణాలు x మరియు 2x ప్లస్ 30 అయిన సమాంతర చతుర్భుజం యొక్క అధిక కోణం. సో let this is parallelogram. So in this parallelogram, two adjacent angles is x plus 2x plus 30. According to the condition, sum of these two angles is 180 degrees. X plus 2x plus 30 is equal to 180. So x plus 2x, 3x is equal to 180 minus 30. 3x is equal to 150. X is equal to 150 by 3. So that is equal to 3 ones are 3, 3 pies are 15. So x value 50. So largest angle is 2x plus 30. That is equal to 2 into 50 plus 30. That is equal to 2 into 50, 100 plus 30. That is equal to 130. So first option is correct. Next question. Choose a shape having unlimited number of line of symmetry. Option 1 isosceles triangle, option 2 rectangle, option 3 circle, option 4 square. అపరిమిత సంఖ్యలో సౌష్ఠవ రేఖలు గల ఆకారం. సమద్విబాహు త్రిభుజం, దీర్ఘచతురస్రం, వృత్తము, చతురస్రం. సో isosceles triangle. This isosceles triangle has only one line of symmetry. Second option rectangle. This rectangle has only 2 line of symmetry. Third one circle. Circle has infinite number of line of symmetry. Square. Square has 4 line of symmetry. So our answer is circle. Circle is correct. It has infinite number of line of symmetry. Next question. Mean of 10 observations is 38. One observation 56 is excluded. Then the new mean is 10 రాసుల సగటు 38, వానిలో ఒక రాశి 56 తొలగించినట్లయితే కొత్త సగటు. సో mean of 10 observations is 38. So its sum is equal to 10 into 38 or 38 into 10. That is equal to 380. If one observation 56 is excluded means subtracted. So minus 56. 10 minus 6 4, 7 minus 5 2, 3, 324. This is sum of 9 observations. So its average is or mean is sum is 324 divided by number of observations 9. 324 by 9. 9 ones are 9. 9 threes are 27. 9 6 are 54. So answer is 36. New mean is 36.